For fan wall retrofit opportunities, to get actual measurements in the field is a vital part of the successful evaluation of performance. Submittals sitting behind the desk gives you a partial picture, but being in the field and taking safe, accurate readings is the only way to proceed. To get an accurate indication of the fan, we must measure the face area of the filters, and the CFM can then be calculated by area and velocity. Sean, can you help me measure the face area of this filter bank? All right, let's measure the height. We'll now get the belt grid where we'll measure the velocity of the unit in performance. Sean is currently measuring the velocity of the filters using a short-ridge multimeter. Both the area and the velocity can safely be measured when the unit is in full operation. The unit that we're measuring is a house centrifugal fan. This unit has 2 levels of filtration, a cooling coil, but the performance of the fan is impaired on the inlet side by belts, bearings, belt guards, and a crowded inlet from the coil to the wheel configuration. Sean has measured the point of most negative in the unit, so we can then also take the positive pressure reading to come up with a total pressure the fan is performing to. This housed fan discharges into a splash plate to break up the velocity head before entering the sound traps and final filter. What's important to measure the positive pressure that the fan is producing, which Sean is measuring currently. After measuring the CFM and static pressure, we must safely measure the voltage and amperage that the unit is consuming. In less than a half hour of measurements of CFM, static pressure, and the power the fan is consuming, you can quickly determine the efficiency of the unit tested. With this information and Greg Lance's HDA program, you can quickly calculate and show to the owner the benefits of fan wall technology. This unit incorporates sound attenuation. Sound attenuators are rated and tested in a lab condition in an ideal inlet and outlet. Obviously in this air handling unit, those conditions don't exist, and with fan wall technology, when we retrofit from an acoustical standpoint and that which we achieve with coplanar attenuator, most installations we can remove the sound attenuators, gaining the advantage from power reduction by reduction of static pressure.